let's do a quick taste test. Okay, look at these. Bulbasaur, goldfish. Okay, look, there's little Bulbasaurs and there's goldfish. They taste good. It's just like goldfish. Guys, taste test. What mini should I get? I think I only like Takis, Sun Chips. I don't really like Doritos. Peas. We're gonna get peas. And Sun Chips. Okay guys, taste test. Look at this rainbow bridge. Out of 10. These taste so good. These look good. 10 out of 10. These taste like little hot Cheeto puffs. Guys, taste test at the beach. We got these little coconut things, some Lay's, potato chips, I don't know, spicy, flaming hot, vitamin water. We're gonna start with the coconut. 10 out of 10. I don't know if these colors taste different. We'll try it. Actually, they do taste different. Let me taste the red. The red part and the white part are the best part. Chips. They look so nice. 10 out of 10. Vitamin water. Out of 10. It tastes like water, but like this one. I don't know if the other ones taste better.